welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch. Today I have a super duper easy Christmas card craft for you today. Really easy, so you could batch make rude so you could batch make them or have children help as well, as I try to with all my projects. It's available in 3 formats: the YouTube video you're watching now in long form, a short form one on the shorts and TikTok just for the quick instructions, and also a step-by-step photograph tutorial on the website, which I will link below for you. Let's get stuck in. This project requires very minimum materials, so the first thing you'll need is a blank card. You can buy them like they saw. To save money, I just cut and make my own. A little bit of double-sided sticky or sellotape folded over a glue dot, a little bit of PVA, something like that. Some ribbon. Now I've found out that the thinner the ribbon, the better it looks. I did do another, which I won't even show you because it is dire. I did another with thick ribbon, it just didn't look right. So you've been warned. Some scissors and something to make a hole with. So I'll show you a few methods in a moment. And some embellishments to make your star, so gold pen. I've got gold tape because my star drawings leave a lot to be desired. And as it's Christmas, it doesn't hurt to have some little embellishments as well, whatever you've got in your stash. You will also need something where you can make a hole where we put the ribbon through. I've got 3 methods for you to choose from. So the first one is a craft knife, so understandably for children this is a bit too sharp, and this just makes a line to thread the ribbon through. Next up is this tool. I'm sure it's called a screw and go. I'm pretty sure. Nice and easy. Does require a little bit of strength, and it makes a hole. I like this because it's easy and quick. Why I'm not using one of those, you know, like the Polar Express clippy handheld hole punchers, is because when you come to do the other side of your card, you won't be able to get it over. So that's why you'd need something like this. Or last one, which everyone will have around the house, nice and cheap and also suitable for children. Blob of blue tack and poke through, and then give it a wiggle if you want to make it bigger. Okie doke, I've got my card down, and then the aim is to make holes that are slightly decreasing in width as we increase in height. So you could absolutely use a ruler and do it super neat and precise. That's what my mum would definitely do, but life's too short for that. So there we go, nice and opposite. And then I'm going to go above, but then move in a little bit, and I would advise just a little bit because it's surprising how quickly rather the tree forms. So 1, 2, and then again. For my card here, this is a 6 size and I got 4, and then room for the star. But if you're doing a bigger card or a square card, etc., yours might be a little different. I think we might actually get 5 on this one. Yeah, I think I'll do another very tiny one because we've still got plenty of room for the star. There we go, so there's all our holes, and now we can thread the ribbon. It might help you to cut it on a point as well to be able to thread it through, or I like to fold it in half. So this, I'm going to go from the back to the front, and this will be quite a thread by the end. Pull quite a long amount out, but if you run out, don't worry, we just take a bit more off. So we've come up from the back, and then we're going to go down from the front to the back in the opposite hole. and it will probably twist a bit, but just keep it that way. Honestly, it looks really good and effortless and a little bit rustic. So here, instead of going then like a lace diagonal, that just wastes ribbon, so go in the next vertical one, pull through, back down, front to back in the opposite one, and then just carry on. So next I'm going vertical, opposite, vertical, opposite, and then if you run out of ribbon, just shimmy things along. There we go, I've completed the tree, so I can cut my ribbon now. Leave a bit of a tail because we're going to stick that down next. Then I'm going to use double-sided sticky, but as we said before, feel free to use whatever method. So you could double over sellotape, you could use a glue dot, white glues, PVA glue, whatever you've got to hand. I'm just going to fold this in half because it's a bit wide. If you did want to make this back neat, if it bothered you, then you could just put a piece of, you know, Christmassy paper or red paper, whatever, and just cut it there to conceal it. Now it's time for the stars, so you absolutely could use, you know, gold pen, but I am rubbish at drawing stars. So I've got this gold tape instead, but feel free, yeah, this is, if there ever was an opportunity for glitter, it is now. Mirror card as well, that could be another option. Alrighty ho. So this is my dead easy star method. 1, 2, 3. There we go. But it is the festive season and I think we could do with a little bit more bling. So I've got these little stick-on gems here in my stash, just to opportunity to use them up. And they just stick on. Well, I really hope you enjoyed today's make. We have plenty of other Christmas crafts going on, including a tutorial for this lovely tree made from recycled book, of all things. So do consider giving us a like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good stuff, so we can continue to be even more festive. Thank you and take care.